Hey, what is going on, guys? Hass here, CollectiveKicks.com. And if you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. And happy shopping. Today's video, I got a fun package from Adidas. They sent me over an Originals box here, as you can see. And shout out to Adidas, man, for sending some love over here in my new house. I actually haven't done a review on these yet. It's been one of those shoes that I've been wanting to get. And it's funny enough, because I actually ended up buying a pair of these like right before they sent me this colorway, but they sent a pair of night joggers over and they left a little note inside of the package, and it says, "For the creator, never too late to pursue your vision. Night jogger is one thing during the day and another at night. For the hustlers, entrepreneurs, and go-getters, night is a chance to continue building their vision, as well as an opportunity to branch out and seek the new. That's why at night or in life, it's never too late." Pretty cool little idea and concept for the night jogger. I didn't actually understand why they called it the night jogger originally, but this is a nice looking model in my opinion. All right, so this is the night jogger, and this colorway is super fire. Like, it's really clean. I love how it has so many different colors of like the gray tones and whites and a little bit of cream, and then also that hits of like the neon on the shoe looks really nice, and it's so subtle, but the pink pops on the shoe. It looks really dope. And I think that this color blocking of this shoe is just really done quite well. The other one that was really good was the black one. I actually really like that one also. But they do have other colorways out there. And if you guys are interested in buying a pair, check the link in the description to go check out Adidas Night Jogger shoes. I actually haven't seen this colorway on their website yet, so it looks like it's kind of an unreleased colorway as of now. But I will link you guys in the description where to buy this specific colorway when it becomes available. So check the description if you guys are watching this in the future. But this colorway, man, super nice. And this model is definitely something that reminds you of the Iniki or the I-5923s. So here's a comparison. This is actually the Tiffany colorway that I designed on my Adidas before it went away. And you could see it's actually quite a different looking shoe. It looks like it's somewhat recycled, but it's actually totally different. It's like a 2.0 in a sense, and I don't know, I just like every aspect of this version better than this one. Part of the reason why is because the layers of this shoe look really cool, how you have extra little layers across and then a little bit of hyperfuse type material underneath, and then also just some more layers and texture throughout the shoe. It's not very singular, and this was good because you also had the same sort of thing. You had one major layer over the shoe, and then you had a couple of overlays on the shoe, and then the 3 stripes with the fused material. But overall, like, this looks very simple and like more generic, I guess, than the new version that you see here. Also, you can see the midsole is a lot more rugged. It's not as linear as the Inikis or the I-5923s. So there's a lot of changes there. You can see from the outsole it has a lot of traction and different hits down here versus the 5923, which is kind of like that NMD Iniki sole. So they really revamped the soles on here, and they also added a little bit of stability with the black right around here. But I think that this is just a great evolution of a shoe, and if it's related or not, it doesn't really matter. It's just a shoe that looks really cool in my opinion. One other thing to note is you could see that they had a raw edge tongue on here, which adds a nice little look to the shoe also. Just, it has kind of a vintage look and feel, yet it, obviously with the boost midsole and the coloring, and it's like a futuristic retro in a sense, and Adidas has done a couple different shoes like that, and this one I think they executed really well, especially for the price point. $130 is not a terrible price point. I'm sure you could probably get some of these on sale in the future since they're not flying off the shelves depending on the colorways. But it's a cool shoe nonetheless, and I think it's definitely worth trying out if you haven't tried them. And if you were a fan of the 5923s, I think you'll definitely be a fan of the night joggers. One of the coolest features on this shoe though is the reflective hit right there in the front, something that you can't really see. And then also on the back section right here, it's really reflective, and it looks super nice. So I like that they did the pink reflective right there, and then a little bit of silver stripe in the front, and even the 3 stripes are reflective actually, which is cool. I didn't even see that. So it's called the Night Jogger, and then you can see all the reflective hits on the shoe. I think that that is definitely a nice little addition to the shoe, and gives it a different dynamic for the day and the night. But leave a comment in the comment section. Have you guys tried out the Adidas Night Joggers yet, or is it something that you guys have not had an interest in? Is there a colorway that you've seen that you really like? I personally really dig this colorway. I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. This colorway is super fresh. And then the black colorway, the one that I bought, I really like that colorway as well. But they have a lot of other colorways out there that are coming. So stay tuned and definitely check the website CollectiveKicks.com. And I'll be posting more deals to this shoe as they come. But in my opinion, this model is super slept on, and it's definitely one that you need to give a try. But thank you again to Adidas for sending these over my way. Much appreciated, and definitely a pair that I am going to be rocking. In fact, I already wore these as soon as I got them. Before the video, I just went ahead and threw them on feet because they looked so dope. And I think these look really good with denim and casual wear. I like the way the tongue sits on my denim and my jeans and stuff like that. It just looks really, really good. And man, fan of the shoe. And hopefully you guys are too. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys have tried them or not. And once again, a link in the description if you guys actually want to purchase a pair. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. And have a great rest of the day. And thanks for watching. Peace, guys.